Good morning. As you can hear, there's some ducks that are pretty unhappy right now. This is part of the morning routine. As I head out to the shop here, we gotta let out the ducks. They want out pretty dang quick. They're pretty unhappy with me. Now on to the ducks, the other ducks and the geese. Now for the geese, we'll let them out. I'm not sure you can hear them, they're pretty impatient. Oh geese, oh geese, oh geese, oh geese, oh geese, oh girls, oh girls. And now for the runner ducks and the others. Hi guys. Hi guys, good morning. Okay. So the ducks. One last group of ducks. Hi, I'm Tracy, and this is Working Man's Revolution. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.